SAP Business Objects Edge Business Intelligence. Visibility for small businesses and mid-sized companies. As a small business or mid-sized company, you need comprehensive knowledge of your products, your customers, and your markets. You need to quickly identify issues, resolve problems, and respond to changing needs. You need the integrated, consolidated visibility of SAP Business Objects Edge BI. SAP Business Objects Edge BI delivers accurate, in-depth information that enables you to quickly analyze data and make faster, more accurate, data-driven decisions. The software delivers dashboards and visualizations, along with query, reporting, and analysis to give you insight into your operations. Excelsius, part of the integrated functionality of SAP Business Objects Edge BI, is an award-winning dashboard design tool. It lets you rapidly deploy executive dashboards that show the most current performance metrics for your business. For example, with a single click, you can see revenue breakdown by product for every region. You can then drill down to decide where to focus your sales promotions. These interactive dashboards contain rich visual objects, such as sliders and gauges, that let you perform what-if analysis to understand the impact of your decisions before you make them. The dashboards combine data from various databases, spreadsheets, and systems to give you an integrated view of your business. And the connection between dashboards and back-end data is live, so dashboards are instantly updated whenever data changes. Everyone on your team sees the same information, so you're always on the same page. SAP Business Objects Edge BI also fully embeds Crystal Reports, one of the most popular reporting solutions. With Crystal Reports, you can easily create detailed operational reports using data from any system, all without the help of your IT department. A search-based query capability lets you perform a keyword search to find specific data in any system, and then use that data to get additional details. You can see detailed information by various dimensions, such as year, product line, and region. The capability is enabled by SAP Business Objects Explorer, also part of the integrated functionality of SAP Business Objects Edge BI. This data exploration functionality is ideal for busy executives because it allows them to get a meaningful answer even without a fully formed question in mind. Executives on the go can access dashboards, view reports, and perform search-based queries over any wireless device, including a smartphone. Companies just starting out with business intelligence can begin with simple dashboards and reporting to quickly improve daily decision-making. As your needs grow, you can move on to operational dashboards and advanced reporting, including search-based ad hoc queries. SAP Business Objects Edge BI meets the changing needs of growing small businesses and mid-sized companies. You gain the integrated, consolidated visibility you need to understand your business, make faster, more informed decisions, and achieve new levels of business success. The best-run businesses run SAP.